Hi, I'm the Transit Kid, and today I have some breaking news on March 4th, 2019. Due to the Wenatchee going out of service, there is now fewer capacity of cars and people on some big routes. So the Puyallup is substituting for the Wenatchee, which is the same size as the Wenatchee, the Puyallup. And the Chimacum is substituting for the Edmonds to Kingston route, which is way smaller than the usual size of Edmonds to Kingston boats, like the Spokane. And the Chelan is substituting for the Chimacum and Bremerton, which is much smaller than the Chimacum. And Fashion Island, Fauntleroy, and Southward are down to 2 boats now instead of 3. Thank you for watching Transit Kid Breaking News, and look at my other videos.